Hey, just wanted to make a quick video on how to link the Toyota 4Runner Homelink buttons up to the garage door opener. I have a Craftsman half horsepower opener, and on the back here there is a red button. I believe that's the learn button or smart button. So I'll press that. It should illuminate a light, and then we should have 30 seconds to pair them up. So pressed, and we're going to run over to the vehicle and see if we can link that button up. It's supposed to be able to press it up to 3 times, 2 seconds each. So here we go. I'll use number 1 and we'll take a look at that light. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, and then it worked. So it looks like it did link up. Garage door is closing, but we'll test it one more time just to double check. All right, it's closed, and I'll press number 1 just to confirm that it works. Let's press it again. And it does indeed work. So that method did work. And the other method for my other garage on this side, I had to use the remote to link that one up. Thanks, guys. That's all there is to it. The second method is using the garage remote to link up. And since the first method of using the smart button on the garage door opener worked for this garage, I have another garage here which is a single car. That one has a different type garage door opener, so I'm going to use method number 2, and that is holding down the remote button at the same time as pressing the Homelink button, which we'll try now and see if that works. So here we go. And that seemed to have worked. Garage door is opening, so we'll wait and we'll confirm that that does indeed still work. I'll press the button again. And all good. So I had to use a different method for this garage than I did for the 2-car garage. But either way, they both work, and I hope that helped, guys. Have a good day.